To speak English, you need to know how to make sentences. Otherwise, you can't speak English. Today, I will teach you 100 phrases that will change your world. Today's sentences are brand new sentences that you should know. These will help you to speak English fluently. Go carefully. Go carefully. Wait outside. Wait outside. Please sit. Please sit. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Behave properly. Behave properly. It's torn. It's torn. It's dirty. It's dirty. But why? But why? It's alright. It's alright. What happened? What happened? Don't push me. Don't push me. Who is knocking? Who is knocking? I am coming. I am coming. Just a minute. Just a minute. Please tell me. Please tell me. It's getting late. It's getting late. Let me know. Let me know. Leave my hand. Leave my hand. Make the bed. Make the bed. Clear this bag. Clear this bag. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. There is nobody. There is nobody. Please take a rest. Please take a rest. Go out quickly. Go out quickly. Is he in? Is he in? Don't stand there. Don't stand there. Please come in. Please come in. Please call him. Please call him. Okay, let's move. Okay, let's move. See you again. See you again. Where is he? Where is he? Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. It will fade. It will fade. It's the same. It's the same. Is it new? Is it new? Is it urgent? Is it urgent? It is delicious. It is delicious. I want this. I want this. Hold a moment. Hold a moment. It's for you. It's for you. We must learn. We must learn. Someone has come. Someone has come. Nothing is audible. Nothing is audible. Later he decided. Later he decided. What do I do? What do I do? Any service for me? Any service for me? Where are you from? Where are you from? Send him to me. Send him to me. No, not a bit. No, not a bit. Put wet clothes there. Put wet clothes there. Sit a little longer. Sit a little longer. Stand a little longer. Stand a little longer. What to do now? What to do now? I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. Go receive the phone. Go receive the phone. I am feeling tired. I am feeling tired. Please talk to me. Please talk to me. What price is this? What price is this? It cost $10. It cost $10. I have a headache. I have a headache. Hold my phone. Hold my phone. What do you know? What do you know? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? Are you feeling a fever? Are you feeling a fever? It will not shrink. It will not shrink. It will last longer. It will last longer. We will go together. We will go together. Why don't you go? Why don't you go? Why have you left? Why have you left? May I know this? May I know this? Can you do it? Can you do it? I want to work. I want to work. How old it is? How old it is? I will tell you. I will tell you. How is getting on? How is getting on? Do you have anything to say? Do you have anything to say? Why are you feeling shy? Why are you feeling shy? Please eat something. Please eat something. Please give me some snacks. Please give me some snacks. Put it in the sun. Put it in the sun. You are taking too long. You are taking too long. What dish is cooked today? What dish is cooked today? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? No, he is not in. No, he is not in. Someone has come to see you. Someone has come to see you. You are still awake? You are still awake? Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Whom have you talked to? Whom have you talked to? You are taking a steep price. You are taking a steep price. Why don't you meet him? Why don't you meet him? He has asked. He has asked. Ring me off and on. Ring me off and on. I will see you soon. I will see you soon. Don't try to be over. Don't try to be over. I am grateful to you. I am grateful to you. Where have you to go? Where have you to go? He has to go now. He has to go now. Practice these and you will learn to speak English faster. I say one thing again and again. To speak English, you have to practice regularly. Only then you can speak English. It is not possible to speak English without practice. So if you want to speak English, practice it from today. Like or comment if you like the video. Stay well and keep learning English with me.